Certain birds only fly by night. We come by candlelight. We come in numbers, with a song in the dark for the broken of heart. Ooh. The rearrangement of our positioning, granting us grace in the lift of decay, with a song in the dark for the storm in our hearts. Ooh. Oh, the end is calling, and the sky is falling. We will guide each other through the harshest weather. A new migration, when the fires rage, find another way and change direction. With a song in the dark, the ineffable spark. Ooh. Certain birds only fly by night.
Oh, the